Hi, morning, good morning. It is cold. It is a Tuesday. I wanted to start this yesterday, but I just could not start it yesterday because I was doing other things. And then I vlogged as well that hopefully I must have posted that before I will post this, if that makes any sense. Welcome to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel by Mia. It's so wild actually to put my camera on this car. Sometimes it's just like Higgy and Haga. I am up and early and I have things to do. I want to go to the gym to get some workouts in. I am freaking tired. I don't know if you can see from my face. I am so tired, but we do what we need to do. I'm so sorry about the sound in the car. If you hear any sound, this car has to heat up because if not, I will be freezing. It says that it's not going to snow. It is covered in frost everywhere. When I tell you, thank goodness for technology. The seat in this car, it is warm. I think my man actually warmed the car up for me because it was charging and it was like frosty. So I came in, everything was easy for me. Everything is set up. My man is always thinking of me. What they do, their actions will tell you if they are the right man for you. So today is Tuesday. The Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast's new episode came out today. It comes out every Tuesday anyway. So go and listen, subscribe, follow me there as well. We are doing the things. We are doing representation, visibility, and freedom. We exist. We are people. It is about humanity. It is about doing what needs to be done. I was just on the phone with a friend of mine this morning and he was telling me about something that happened somewhere about a particular man of God. I don't really know what to make about the hypocrisy that I see amongst our people. Everyone that has said to me that I'm going to go to hell, this happens to me a lot on platforms like TikTok and things like this, who do not understand that I'm a gay person and God created me like this. The God that they believe in created me like this. I feel sorry for them. It is wild that people always feel like you've chosen to be a homosexual, you decided to be a homosexual, that you were not born gay. To them, being gay equates to you being ugly, dirty, unclean, that you have disease, that you have mental illness. And most times when they say things like this, it really makes me laugh because it does not make any sense at all. It does not make any sense at all. I will never ever get into an argument with somebody who does not know their left from their right, with someone who is less than smart, with someone who is emotionally immature. I am not going to do that. Sometimes when I speak to them in a way where I teach them a lesson, because you can never break my soul. I was born this way. I was born for this. I am ready. I was born ready. So you cannot do anything to me whatsoever. Anyway, let's go. Let me just go and get my workout in because we need to keep our mind, body, and soul together. I just parked. I wasn't just thinking. I used to drive Fiat 500 electric and it's a small car. It is easy to park. I don't like big cars. The mental acrobatics I did to park this car here because it's almost Christmas and people are shopping. The car park here is just so packed with so many people. I was trying to get this car to be straight because the person that is parked on my right parked anyhow and the car on my left is a big car, like huge. So I kept going in and out, and the thing is, Tesla is so sensitive. It's -5 degrees this morning because my man had already charged the car and not charged the car, warmed the car up. It was on 27 degrees. I kept saying to myself, why is the car so hot? I know it felt cozy, it felt comfortable, but it was so freaking hot. As I parked, I checked. Oh my God, it was 27 degrees max. So I had to reduce it to 22 now. That's why it was so noisy when I was talking earlier, I think. I don't know if you picked that up. Anyway, I'm just going to lock the car now and go to the gym and do my workout. I had a really good workout. I was opening the car and these women were just looking at me like staring. It's 23rd of December today and a lot of people are shopping for Christmas. This place is packed. I need to do what needs to be done. It's Christmas Eve. My man is German, so they do all their Christmas cooking on the 24th of December. So I'm going to make food today. I'm going to make pepper soup, jollof rice, and some sauce. I ordered ND filters for my Osmo Action 6 and they said it was going to be delivered on the 29th. And they delivered it yesterday. So I picked it up, so that's it. It's 3 ND filters, really nice. I am going to make Christmas food. If you don't know, my man is German, so they like celebrating Christmas on the 24th of December. So it is Tuesday. Baby, today is Tuesday, right? Yeah, I think I said Tuesday earlier today. Today is Wednesday. These are the tomatoes and bell peppers. Chicken has been prepared for me and I have all my spices. Let's get into it. It is Thursday, Christmas Day today. I need to cut my hair. My hair is really grown. My beard, all of it. I need to do something about this, but I just don't have the energy. I want to do a quick exercise, but I'm not going to take my camera along with me. I got some Christmas presents this year that is so good that I'm so happy about. My mom got me this. Is the case. Is this power bank is so powerful. It's faster because the one I had was really slow. I got DJI Osmo 6 for Christmas as well. It is Friday, the 26th of December. Yesterday, the food I made, I don't know, I did not show much of it the way I would have wanted because I was so tired at the end of it. I just wanted to eat. We had such a nice time yesterday. The food was really good. I made jollof rice, chicken pepper soup. This sauce with tofu rosso was really good. I added some tomatoes in it, some bell peppers, onions, and I made that with coconut oil. Really tasty. Salmon as well. So freaking good. Texted my sisters, spoke to my nephew and my niece. Just a vibe, and then the remainder of the food is in the freezer. I was listening to LBC yesterday because I went to the gym yesterday. The gym was open and this woman called. She's 101 years old. Boy, the presenter was crying. I was crying driving to the gym. It was so nice what she said. But I still can't believe I am so hungry. So hungry. I need to get something to eat. I want to have this pesto, goat cheese, right? Ciabatta thing that they have and this vitamin drink. I mentioned it earlier anyway. We had such a nice time. We made some good Christmas food. Baby, did you enjoy the food?
Very much. I did.
Like, baby enjoyed it. Let's just get to the restaurant and get something to eat quickly. I want to get some pictures as well. If the light is still okay, it's not a must, then I must get some pictures. We finished at the restaurant. The food was really good. When we got closer, my baby said, oh, they are not open because the restaurant next door was closed. And I'm like, no, I think they are open. Luckily, they were open. They are open and it was so cozy in there. You know, like when you get into somewhere and it's cold outside and you get in, it gave a cozy, warm situation and there were a lot of people in there. I had my pesto, goat cheese, ciabatta. I had the vitamin drink. It's vitamin punch, right? Mm-hmm. Baby, what did you have?
Just a chai latte.
Some of these people are not in touch with reality. There's a woman that joined on TikTok Live. She said everything that needed to be said. Like, some people know how to deal with humanity. Some of these people claim that they are Christians, they are that and that, but they are just not good people.
What still flabbergasts me every time is like, how can you say your faith is in a guy who preached love thy neighbor as thyself and give the other cheek when hit? And all of this, or the preacher at the mountain, all of this, and then you are the most violent, evil person on the face of the earth. I don't know how you can read this stuff. Jesus Christ and Mary, they were migrants. They were running away from Herodes. They would have kicked them out. And the Holy Three Kings, one was Persian, the other Syrian, and the third was from North Africa. They would have all kicked them out. All year round, they go like out with the migrants, out with the migrants. And then the highest holiday, we celebrate the migrants' birthday. It's just stupid. I don't get it. I really don't.
My baby said what needs to be said. Baby, look at it. Look at Nigeria, for instance. Look at Africa, for instance. The way people buy into all of this nonsense.
They buy into it all over the world. I mean, it's like, look at how South African blacks want the blacks from the north not in their country. It's the same story, different name. It's always the same story. I mean, the thing that makes our species so strong is because we can cooperate. We should cooperate much, much more. That's what makes us strong. That's what gives you strength. But no, we want to separate and put other people down. I don't get it. I really don't get it.
I am going to continue to be myself. I am going to continue to live my life. I don't care about what anyone thinks. At the end of the day, I am who I am, and I know that who I am is not wrong. And this is my message, even with the podcast and everything, where I say to people, just be yourself, be at peace with yourself. It is hard, baby, for people. If you are a queer person and you come from a certain culture, it is hard for them.
Yeah.
And with religion as well. You remember when I was telling you about a friend of mine that said that he thinks God is punishing him for being gay because of his situation, not being able to get a job.
It feels, I mean, being gay, especially growing up knowing you're gay and not having a clue about things, it feels like a punishment. It definitely feels like a punishment until you figure out that no, that's who you are, that's what you're supposed to be, that's what's beautiful about you. I don't blame them, especially when you grew up in a society that is strongly stricken by a religious psychosis, as you always say.
Some of these people, actually, aside from the religious psychosis, a lot of them have been abused by religion, by their pastors, with religion. Like, you are guilt-tripped, you are made to feel that you are horrible, you are a sinner, you shouldn't live your life, that your life is dirty. The same pastors do these things whereby they make you fear the wrath of God. It's the wrath of God. Because at the end of the day, all this whole thing about heaven and hellfire, heaven or hellfire is what you make it. If you are miserable by being a wicked person, you are in hell. If you are at peace with yourself and you're okay with who you are in heaven. Just mind your business and live your life. The way it gets dark in winter, like, I never ever get used to this, but it's what it is. It's dark and it's dark. Thank you so much for spending this week with me. Thank you for being here. Join the movement for truth and visibility. Have a wonderful time. Remain fab. Love is love. I will see you in the next vlog.